What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another Marvel Legends review. Today we have Union Jack from the Hulk Endgame Build-A-Figure wave. Union Jack is a British operative spy and master of hand-to-hand combat embroiled in the world of European politics. And there you go, there's the back. If you want to read that, and there's the other figures, and we're gonna talk about the other figures we need later in the video. So yeah, let's open him up. Okay, which is I got two scissors up here, so I think I'm gonna, because I would use the big scissors, but I'm gonna use these. Let's see here. Probably gonna cut over here. Yeah. Alright. Try to get the flap open. There we go. I have to throw that away. Oh, and it has the whole plastic like that, so they won't, like, people won't steal your figure. I don't. Yeah, that's not anything. That's just like a blue thing. Doesn't have the Avengers logo. Oh, I gotta take this tape off. Or, no. I don't. I could just slide it out. There we go. Come on, Jack. Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay. So, let's check him out. Here we have Union Jack, so he can look up and side to side, head swivel. He's got a double jointed arm. So yeah, the hand swivel. And he's got an ab crunch. He's got a peg hole in the back of his, on the back. I don't think that's for anything, but if you want to put a shield on, you could. You could. I don't know if Union Jack has a shield. No, I don't think he does. Okay, he can kick. He's got ankle pivot on both legs there, and he's got peg holes, and there's the serial number. It's hard to see on my camera. It's very hard to see here. And his accessories. Check out his accessories here. We got a gun, and we got a knife. So yeah, and we got the Hulk Build-A-Figure piece, which I think we're gonna do in the next clip here. Okay, I hope this works here. I don't know. I don't even know if it will. Will it? Yeah, there's the Hulk Build-A-Figure. And we got this. If you want to see my Iron Man Mark 85 review, go check that out, because that's where this thing is from. And Does that work? It does. It does. It does work. Yeah. All right. That looks good on him. So I get more parts for the Hulk build a figure. Then yeah, that'd be awesome. All right. Is that it? Yeah, it's a short video. Let's do the outro. I want to thank you guys again for watching, and please subscribe if you're new here. Like, favorite, and share. I am on the road to 500 subscribers, and you guys have been kind enough to subscribe. I got 431 subscribers. So thank you guys, and hopefully we'll get more on the way. Like, favorite, and share, and hit the bell so you know when I upload new content to this channel. One of my newer popular videos is my review for a Minecraft movie. If you guys want to go see that. Go see me and Spidey Projects and Capicado Studios. They raided my room. They raided my room. Like, Jake, we want to be in your video. Yeah. So if you want to go. If you want to go see that, yes, they did broke in my house. They did. So yeah, if you want to go see that, yeah, it's gonna be recommended in the outro text. I need to do more reactions and more reviews. There's 2 movie reviews I haven't done. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys are having a good day. And I'll see you guys next time, and I'll see you in the future. Peace! Hawk fist bump! Hawk fist bump.